Are you searching for making simple animation for free? Then PowerPoint can be a great tool for you to make animation. I will explain you making animation with 3 simple steps. First, use the ChatGPT to create the stories. Second, get illustration images from FreePic. Third, make animation with PowerPoint. This is the result of animation created by PowerPoint.
There was a young man named Rahul who had just graduated from college. He was offered a job at a prestigious company with a good salary and benefits. Excited about the opportunity, Rahul worked tirelessly and was quickly promoted. Over the years, Rahul met a woman, he fell in love with her, and finally got married and got a house. After a few years, they became fathers and mothers of 2 kids. He was a devoted husband and father, and he worked even harder to provide for his family after 10 years. His kids are grown up and they got married, and Rahul approached retirement age. He realized that he had not saved enough money to support himself and his wife for the rest of their lives. He had followed the conventional wisdom that if he worked hard and made other money sources and passive income, he would be being happy with his family with financial security. However, he now faced the harsh reality that the cost of living had increased significantly, and his savings were not enough to sustain him. Rahul's story is not unique. This is a very common story.
Before creating animation, write a story using ChatGPT. I asked to ChatGPT to write a story of a common man's life cycle. And I get this result. Now, story is ready. We copy the story and paste and save the text. The second, images are obtained from a site called FreePic. After selecting vector in the search box, enter a man life cycle into the search box. Of the several images, I will use the first one. To split the images, we need the EPS file type. Press the download. The first background of the story is university. Search and download the university background. I will use this image because it cannot be used directly as an EPS file. Access the site called Cloud Convert. Click Select File and upload the EPS file. Convert EPS file format to SVG format. Download the finished file. In this way, images and GIF files suitable for each scene are downloaded. If you are ready for the all images, insert the SVG format images that you converted. The background image you can use as JPG format itself. Now bring the illustration images in SVG format. Click the images and right-click and select Ungrouping 2 times. Then all the piece of images will be separated, and then again group each character so we can use it easy. In the background image, bring the character you already separate. and we bring all the images in GIF files. In the case of this GIF, you can search for GIF files on Google and download them. Let's make the images move, giving an animation effect. Select the character and go to Animation tab and press Add Animation and scroll down. The green dot is a start point and the red dot is end point. Move the dot where you want images from start to end. Animation to see the timeline. Click Animation pane and you can check the character moving in the direction you want. In the same way, you give the effect to each image. To make the effect happen at the same time, in the animation pane, mouse right, click and select Start with the previous. Birds fly too fast, so we make it slow by adjusting the time duration. Check the result. Now it is okay. We give the effect Fly in for this image. Let's check the first animation scene. Now it is natural and we go next scene. Bring the background images you prepared along with the character. The background is the company office and the character is the office man. And give the same motion effect, click lines, and adjust. Now second scene is also done now. Let's move next scene. In this scene, you need 3 background images for giving a moving effect left to the right side. The character is moving from one place to another. Insert all 3 backgrounds, and this scene we need woman characters. Same for the man we download women's characters and ungroup 2 times, and group each character again. Insert the characters, women and men. Moving in this scene, they meet and fell in love. Get married and they buy a house. Give a motion effect from the outside scene to the inside. Let's make them walk a little, slowly adjusting time duration. Now, characters walk naturally, and to show they share the love. Put a heart signal GIF and move the effect after they met. It is well done. This is the final effect. The background passes by as the character walks. Combine the 3 backgrounds into one group. Let's slow down the background transition a bit. Now it is perfect. Now the tutorial is over. Thanks for watching the long video. Was the video helpful? You can create a short story and also make an animation for a company or school assignment using PowerPoint. Since Midjourney is now no free version. Next time we will introduce some other free AI art platforms that you can use instead of Midjourney. Please subscribe to us and hit the like button. If you are curious about the rest of the video, please watch it until the end.